off today. Tom and I do lots of shows together. This is our 7th this summer. And maybe JP will get a couple of more photo passes. Why not? Here he comes, aimed right at you. Beautiful sight. That yellow biplane makes the blue. And we're going to get a Cuban 8. Here comes the other mirror image.